is 1. Come on. 6 mil. 6 mil? Yeah. 5 mil. 5 mil Allen key bolts at the front. Follow me back round here. This is the bit that I need you early 0910 some Tuono bikes have got to watch out for. So when this is what you'll find here. This will be the fuel pump connector. If we lift this up, okay, now basically I've disconnected this already. Now be careful when this comes apart because this is pressurized, so put a bit of rag underneath it. We've already took this one apart just so it didn't damage anything. It actually did spray us heaps of fuel all over us, but put the dry brake connector apart like that.
The fuck is that? Shit flying in my mouth.
When this goes back together again, what I'd like you to do is, when you reconnect, bend that line back because it's rubber, it's flexible. This isn't flexible. I've seen a lot of people break these here, and if this breaks, then basically it's not available as a spare part. So if you find that your line here is too long, pull it back like that, make it that shape, connect it that way, and try and keep this as straight as you can when you're lowering the tank down. Okay? So we're lowering the tank down like that. Lift it back up. Like I said, if you want to disconnect it, just be careful of pressure. Okay, make sure the wiring loom, the fuel pump's disconnected and out of the way, and away you go. That's it, job done. So this gives you access to the back set of spark plugs, the ECU, so you can use the ECU, and basically your air filter inside of here as well. Smashing. So, if there's anything else we can do for you, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We'll talk to you soon.